आपका यहाँ बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। शुक्रिया यहाँ आने के लिए। आज हम सब जानते हैं कि हम यहाँ क्यों आए हैं, फॉर द फ्री साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट दैट वी गेट हियर। बट on a serious note, we here to congratulate and commemorate the 50 years of Amar. So a big round of applause for everyone involved in this journey in the last 50 years. And also to celebrate the 75th birthday of my Nani Kalpana Shah. So a big round of applause for the great life that she's led and the great inspiration that she is. तो बस इसके साथ हम शुरुआत करेंगे. And over to you, Karan.
Hello. To honor this milestone of 50 years, today we will be felicitating few people, few individuals who have made Amar what it is today. And who better to start with my Dadu. He is a man of unwavered principles, who even at the age of 77 has the same dedication and same passion which he had when he started the company. And he has built Amar on the principles of pillars of honesty and trust, which has greatly been influential to everyone in the company and is the main reason for the success of Amar. And also his roots lie deep within our family, and he's left a lasting legacy for us. So now I would like to invite few people from the staff who will say a few words about him. So first we have Prakash Lad. Prakash Lad has been our oldest employee. He has been here for more than 30 years. He is our production engineer who stood with Dadu during ups and downs.
Big round of applause for Prakash, everyone.
हरिओम। आज इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी के सामने खड़े होकर मुझे बहुत गर्व और सम्मान अनुभव हो रहा है। हम नवरात्रि और दशहरा का उत्सव मना रहे हैं, जो अच्छाई और बुराई पर विजय, अंधकार प्रकाश की जीत, एकता और शक्ति का प्रतीक। क्योंकि हम अमर इक्विपमेंट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड 50 वर्षों का जश्न मना रहे हैं और सभी कर्मचारियों को इस अविस्मरणीय उपलब्धि का जश्न मनाने के लिए मैं यहाँ उपस्थित हूँ। अमर इक्विपमेंट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने हर कर्मचारी की ओर से आपको, नरेश सर को और विशाल सर के प्रति अपनी गहरी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ। आपके न केवल इस कंपनी के लिए बल्कि हम सभी के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है। आज हम हमारे निर्देशक नहीं हैं, आप हमारे मार्गदर्शक, प्रेरक, उज्जवल मार्गदर्शक हैं। जब अमर इक्विपमेंट 50 अद्भुत वर्ष पूरे कर रहा है तो हम आपके साथ इस यात्रा को जारी रखने और भविष्य में नई ऊंचाइयों को छूने की उम्मीद करते हैं। अभी और एक लास्ट सेंटेंस पूछता हूँ। मैं नरेश साहब के साथ था जब 20 आदमी थे, बाद में विशाल भाई ने 200 आदमी किए, अभी ये करण करेगा 2000। ऐसी हमारी इच्छा है।
Abhi Sonali has been our longest working female employee with over 23 years with Amar.
Congratulations to Amar team and especially to Naresh Bhai for reaching the incredible milestone of 50 years. I am proud to be a part of Amar Equipments today. We were a total staff of 10 people, including myself, when I joined the company. Across, we had a turnover of 1 crore that year. All these years, I have seen the company growing and prospering under the dynamic leadership and guidance of Naresh Bhai. Today, we are the market leaders in our product range with more than 1,500 customers globally. Our product range has expanded vastly, and that includes latest and advanced technology. The soul of the company is the customized design of our reactor. The design team is led by Naresh Bhai, and under his guidance, our engineers are contributing to the technology growth of the company. Naresh sir is also connected to AEPL team as a family member. He is also so down to earth that he had personally accompanied me to Miss Ratna, the physiotherapist in Matunga, when I had a neck disorder. Granted me a financial help when my son was studying overseas. Thank you to Naresh sir for making everyone in the AEPL family feel welcomed and blessed. I sincerely wish the company to keep growing in the years to come and achieve the highest level of success and glory. All the best, and my sincere heartfelt thanks to Naresh sir and all the AEPL team who have been contributing to the company well-being directly or indirectly. Thank you.
Next we have Naif sir, who has been with the company as manager for over 10 years, and he along with dad have Bhanduk facility we have here today in only 5 months during COVID.
Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are celebrating 50 years of Amar Equipment, and I have been delighted given an opportunity to talk about and thank Naresh Bhai personally. Since my colleague have already spoken about him, I will like to add few things which I have experienced while working with him. I will like to describe his personality, his leadership in 3 words, that is visionary, adaptive and decision making. I have learned a lot of things, lot of this from him, and due to this we have grown so much. You all agree, right? People sitting at the back. I would like to conclude my speech congratulating Vishal Bhai, Naresh Bhai, Mansi Bhai and all Amar family, for we as a team have reached 50 years of Amar Equipment. Thank you. Thank you.
Next we have Mr. Santosh Gunjal. He has been our senior QC engineer for over 16 years.
First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to say something. Hello. And congratulations to the Amar team and Amar company for completing 50 years. Talking about Naresh Bhai, I think थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलूँगा क्योंकि अपने वर्कर भी समझना मांगते हैं. नरेश भाई के लिए मेरे कुछ अलग 1-2 इंसिडेंट्स बताऊँगा. मैं आया हमारे इक्विपमेंट में तो मुझे मतलब मशीन के बारे में ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं था, इक्विपमेंट के बारे में. एक इंसिडेंट बताना चाहूँगा. ऐसे ही सुबह नरेश भाई आए एक दिन और एक ग्लास रिएक्टर था बड़ा, और मुझे डायमेंशन थोड़ा लेने में थोड़ा तकलीफ़ हो रहा था. मैंने बोला नरेश भाई ये कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करना है. तो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर का जो ये होता है ना कि अलग ही लेवल पे, मतलब आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, उस टाइम पे नीचे एक गोनी था और वो रिएक्टर था. अगर दूसरा कोई डायरेक्टर होता तो शायद बोलता किसी से पूछो क्या करो. लिटरली उन्होंने शूज़ निकाला और मेरे साथ में डायमेंशन लेने नीचे बैठ गए मांडी डाल के. ये एक अलग क्वालिटी है जो आज की तारीख में बहुत कम दिखाई देती है डायरेक्टर में, और ये कभी इंसिडेंस में भूलूंगा नहीं. और उनका सबसे बड़ा ये है कि टू डील विद द पीपल, मतलब एक उनके सामने अगर कोई गुस्सा करके कोई आदमी आएगा और वो शांत होके नहीं गया, ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है. मतलब कितना भी सामने से आदमी गुस्सा करके आए नरेश भाई के सामने और वो शांत होके ही चला जाएगा. इतना उनका मतलब ये है, मतलब आदमी से डील कैसे करने का, ये मैंने उनसे सीखा है. और एक मतलब वर्कर लेवल कैटेगरी तक आदमी को क्या तकलीफ़ है वो भी उनको मालूम है. अभी एक लेटेस्ट इंसिडेंट बताऊंगा. एक 15 दिन पहले मेरे मन में ऐसा आया कि जो हमारे वर्कर है जिनको 20-20 साल कंप्लीट हुए हैं, तो मैंने बोला साहब इनके लिए कुछ होना मांगता है स्पेशल, क्योंकि इन्होंने इतना साल कंपनी को दिया है और आपके साथ में इतने साल से है। तो वो जो जवाब था वो मतलब एक अलग ही लेवल का इंसान, मतलब एक एंटरप्रेनर जो सोच सकता है ना, वो वही सोच सकता है। वो जवाब भी आपको बताता हूँ। नरेश भाई ने मुझे बोला, तू जितना सोच रहा है ना उससे कुछ ज़्यादा ही करूँगा, डर मत। तो आज मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करता हूँ कि ऐसे आदमी से मेरा इतने साल से कांटेक्ट हुआ है। और हमेशा आज तो थोड़ा मतलब इंटरेक्शन कम होता है, बट कभी भी मिलते हैं तो कैसा है क्या है ये पूछने का भी। अब मैं एक छोटा इंसान हूँ, नरेश भाई बहुत बड़े आदमी है, बट वो जो एक अलग लेवल का ये है, मतलब वो हर किसी में नहीं होता, मतलब एक अलग, वो अभी नो वर्ड्स उसको मतलब कोई एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते, इस लेवल के इंसान है नरेश भाई। तो थैंक यू नरेश भाई, आपने मुझे और विशाल भाई आपने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया और इतने साल काम करने का ये दिया, इंस्पिरेशन दिया। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
अभी सामंत सर है। सामंत सर is our production manager who has been with us since 8 years, and he is the one who works closely with Dadu to solve shop floor issues.
हैप्पी दशहरा टू ऑल ऑफ यू। स्टार्ट करूंगा नरेश सर के साथ में ही। बाकी लोग ने तो सब कंपनी के बारे में और जो है बात कर ली है। नरेश सर कंपनी में 50 साल कंप्लीट हुए और नरेश सर यहाँ के बोलेंगे तो भीष्म पितामह है, जो सिर्फ भीष्म पितामह ही नहीं पर द्रोणाचार्य भी है, जिन्होंने कई अर्जुन बनाए हैं और बनाते रहेंगे। उन नरेश सर के बारे में बोलेंगे तो इतने सुलझे हुए इंसान है कि कोई भी बच्चा रहे या बड़ा रहे, कुछ भी बगैर डर, बगैर कोई ऐसा हिचक के बगैर नरेश सर से बात कर सकता है। नरेश सर जो भी प्रॉब्लम रहेंगे सामने से बताते हैं कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, सामने ऐसा उसका विज़न जो रहता है कैसे सॉल्व करना है। नरेश सर में जितना टैलेंट है उसका 10% भी हम में आ जाए तो कंपनी और आगे बढ़ सकती है। और नरेश सर के बारे में बात करूँ तो जैसे उन्होंने कौन सी पोजीशन पे रह के खड़ा रहना है और कैसे प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है वो हमने सिखाया हुआ है। जैसे कहीं किसी को 6 दिख रहा है, कहीं 9 दिख रहा है, तो कहाँ पे आईना लगा के उसको भी 6 दिखाना है, 9 दिखाना है, सॉरी। तो वो नरेश सर से ही सिखाया है मैंने। और नरेश सर के बारे में और कुछ ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि उनका नाम ही नरेश है, तो सम्राट और नाम के बराबर ही उनके गुण है जो हम लोग को आगे प्रेरणा देते हैं, मार्गदर्शन देते हैं। और जैसे तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा में जैसे बोलते उल्टा चश्मा लगाना है, सर ने हमारे को बताया कि कैसे कोई भी जॉब निकालने के टाइम पे क्या चीज़ दिखाना है, कैसा वो पार्टी का कमेंट्स है, क्या है डिज़ाइन की रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सिखाया। और उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है हमें आज भी काम आ रहा है और आगे भी आता रहेगा। यही मेरी तहे दिल से उनको शुभकामनाएं, प्रार्थना है कि आगे भी ऐसे ही उनका काम चलता रहे। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
अभी મિતેન શાહ એ અમારા સાથે 6 વર્ષથી છે અને મટીરિયલ ઓફિસર છે.
Hi, it is an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you today and we celebrate a monumental milestone, the 50th anniversary of Amar Equipments Private Limited. When Brunali approached me कि आपको 2 मिनट बोलना है, आई वॉज लाइक भाई आई एम द यंगेस्ट, कैसे बोलूँगा यार. तो शी वॉज लाइक नहीं, हमको कोई माटूंगा का चाहिए, बोलना तो पड़ेगा. आई लाइक ओके चलो. बट शी इवन एडेड कि अरे नहीं नहीं बहुत लोग हैं, बोलने का तो बोलो भाई, यहाँ तो पढ़ा पढ़ी चालू है. ओके ओके नहीं नहीं बोलना तो है. नरेश, आई कॉल हिम एज नरेश काका. So I would tell, I'll continue that. I'll tell Naresh bhai is a boss. Yes, he is a boss, but he's a leader with compassion. Compassion is like, हाँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है, તાવ આવે છે, અડધો કલાક આરામ કર, કામ તો થતું રહેશે. નહીં, ઘરે જાઓ, ચલો ઘરે જાઓ, બેસવાનું નહીં है, ઘરે જાઓ. After that, he treated everyone as they are like family to them. Continuing that legacy. Vishal bhai is continuing that same thing. એમને એક મેસેજ કરેલો, એક મેલ કરેલો બધાને. આઈ ડોન્ટ નો કોઈ, મેં તો મારી પ્રીવિયસ કંપનીમાં ક્યારે નથી જોયું. એમને એક મેલ કરેલો કે પ્લીઝ ડોન્ટ કોલ મી સર, ડોન્ટ કોલ મી બોસ, કોલ મી ભાઈ, કોલ મી વિશાલ ભાઈ, ડોન્ટ કોલ મી બોસ, ડોન્ટ કોલ મી સર. દેટ્સ અ ગ્રેટ થિંગ ટુ સે ટુ એવરીવન. બહુ જ ડિફિકલ્ટ છે. આજે બધા બોસનો એક ઓલ્ટર ઈગો હોય કે ના ભાઈ તું કોણ છે. he every day comes in each and every cabin, talks with workers, talks with helpers, everyone. क्या प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, सब. They both are just an example of a boss. That is the reason people are here for 17, 23, 25 years. कौन छोड़ के जाएगा ऐसे बॉस या ऐसी कंपनी को जो फैमिली मानती है. And I really want to continue that thing with my company, with my team, and I thank you for that. Thank you Vishal bhai, thank you Nash.
अभी अब्दुल भाई है जो हमारे मेन वेंडर है और दादाजी को बहुत मानते हैं एंड दादाजी के साथ भी वो भी बहुत आगे बढ़े हैं एंड उनको बाय द वे पढ़ना लिखना नहीं आता बट उनका दिमाग किसी डिज़ाइन इंजीनियर से कम नहीं.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई, पूरे जितने साथी आए हुए हैं, मैं तो ज़्यादा पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूँ, सबको अस्सलाम वालेकुम. और पूरे अमर कंपनी को भी दुआ और प्यार. आज 50 साल हो गया अपनी कंपनी को, अमर इक्विपमेंट को, जिसमें 23 साल से मैं साथ में हूँ. 23 साल से हूँ, पूरा हैंडल कर रहा हूँ पूरी कंपनी को नरेश सर के साथ. और मुझे एक मशीन थी जो कि आज 20 साल पहले तो बड़े साहब से राय मशवरा लिया, मतलब साहब आपके साथ हूँ, कुछ मशीन का कुछ करें. तो 2 मशीन हो गई, फिर 3 हो गई, फिर आज 30 मशीन है टोटल, जिसमें 8 CNC हो गई. 1 CNC मुझे लेना था तो मैं साहब से बोला साहब कुछ मेरा सपोर्ट करो. तो बोले तेरे लिए बिंदास, तू घर के जैसा है. तो आज मैं करते करते आज 50 आदमी मेरे पास भी काम करते हैं और ये बगल में साथ में हूँ, बाहर नहीं, घर के जैसा. और नरेश सर से तो बहुत आइडिया मिलती है कि अब्दुल ऐसा करना वैसा करना. लेकिन मैं बोला साहब आप बताइए. तो बोले जो कोई नहीं करेगा वो तू करेगा, मेरे को मालूम है. कोई ड्राइंग आता है तो बोले ऐसा बनाओ ऐसा बनाओ. तो मैं बोला साहब आप बोल दिए मैं बना दूंगा. बोले मुझे मालूम है. तो बहुत सारा उनके साथ मैं आज काम किया, बहुत खुश हूँ. इतना खुश हूँ कि मैं एक मशीन थी और एक साइकिल से मैं आता था. बड़े साहब बोले कि अब्दुल तू साइकिल से आता कहीं गिर ना जाए. तो मैं बोला साहब मैं बाइक चला नहीं पाता हूँ. तो बोले सीख ले. तो मैं एक स्कूटर लिया जो कि साहब मेरे को 25,000 रुपये दिए कि जाके स्कूटर ले ले, माल और लाने के लिए आराम रहेगा. तो वैसे करते करते आज मैं इस लायक हो गया हूँ कि उनका बहुत शुक्रिया है और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप सब लोग आए हो. और कुछ मैं ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सकता. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
So we heard from everyone, सबसे सुना सबने. Everyone knows that for everyone here, Naresh Bhai, Naresh Nanu is a role model. For some it's for his dedication, his discipline, his perseverance, his smartness. But I would like to say for me, he's my role model for a whole different reason. He has taught me things in life that I have not learned from all my education degrees. You know what, like my degrees have gotten me 15-hour work days. What his teachings have taught me is how to be peaceful and calm and stress free for those 15 hours. And I think that is what is important in life. And I have written, try to write something, a शायरी for him. तो जब मैं बोलूँ तो थोड़ी वाह हो जाए, थोड़ा ऑडियंस इंटरेक्शन हो जाए. अर्ज़ किया है खुदा ने जब आपको बनाया होगा, एक सुरूर सा उसके दिल में छाया होगा. दिमाग से तेज़ और जिगर से शेर तो कई बनाए, दिमाग से तेज़ और जिगर से शेर तो कई बनाए, पर जिस फुर्सत में आपको बनाया होगा, अपने आप को आईने में निहारा होगा. आँखों में प्रेम, दिल में प्यार और मन में उदारता भर जब आपको परखा होगा, तो आईने से ज़्यादा अपने आप को आप में देखा होगा. और जब इस खूबसूरत रूह का निर्माण किया होगा, तब थोड़ा सा मुँह तो खुदा को भी आया होगा, कि थोड़ा रोक लूँ इसे, कहीं धरती को इतना सुंदर न बना दे कि एक दिन ऐसा ना आ जाए जब इंसान स्वर्ग आकर भी पछताया होगा. So on that note, really grateful to have him as have him in our lives, and it's a lifetime achievement for us to have him with us. And just to take this forward, I call upon Vishal Mama to express his feelings. And just a small point, 50 years of Amar, also just to point out 25-26 years of Vishal Shah and Amar. So big round of applause for him.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Today we are not just celebrating the history of our company, but the qualities, sacrifices and expertise of the man behind it. For me, he is more than just a father. He is my mentor, my guide, my support system, my inspiration, and I believe many of you will agree by the time I am done. Imagine a young man in 1960s growing up in a chawl with around 10 people in one room kitchen, with his dad earning only $20 a month, studying in a BMC primary school with no family background in education, no financial support. He later studied in a Gujarati medium Matunga Premier School. Despite these challenges, he had ranked in IIT that time, got into IIT Mumbai, and then later went on to earn a master's degree in the US, all completely by his own. But what stands out to me the most is that after completing his studies, instead of following the lucrative path that awaited in the US, he decided to return to India. The very next day he completed his studies and take up a 500 rupees a month job in Kurla in a very small company. That decision required immense courage, self-belief and clarity of thought. And just a year later, at a very young age, he founded Amar Engineering Company. I don't have many memories from my childhood, early childhood, but I know that my father often carried me on his shoulders. He took us out, all cousins, all sitting here, maybe 8, 10, 12 of us, to every Saturday to Shivaji Park in the sands, planned long summer holidays with families across India, and helped me a lot in my schoolwork as well. Even today he carries much of my stress and work. Whatever I throw at him, he solves it gracefully, effectively and efficiently, and at times he does it without me even asking for it. Isn't it caring? He has always empowered me and everyone around him with complete trust. At a very young age, he trusted me to make business decisions, investments, shopping, charitable contributions, or be it any decisions. He allowed me to learn from my mistakes, and I don't remember a single time he ever refused or doubted or even forced me. On a lighter note, for a couple of instances, when I was a child asking for a VCR bicycle, he did refuse that time, but eventually I could emotionally convince him that time as well. I have enjoyed this freedom the most. My father is the best mechanical engineer I have personally come across, no less than a scientist, a legendary technocrat who has never used a computer in his life. Can you believe? Who doesn't know to use a computer in life? He is one of the most respected person in our industry among clients, suppliers, employees alike. If we count his design innovations, be it small, big, improvisations, new, reverse engineering or troubleshooting, it would easily run in thousands, and our design team is a witness to it. Easily. He innovates every day, that's his job. He troubleshoots every day, that's his job, with the same passion and expertise as he did years ago. The vision of our company has always been to develop import substitute niche technologies, and I don't think anyone else could have done better than him for our products. If I had to describe Amar in 2 words, they would be trust and innovation, what you see on our 50 years emblem. Values that have been deeply embedded in our DNA, and all thanks to his leadership, vision and principles. He is a brilliant mathematician as well, who does calculations with fingers, doesn't require a calculator, who can give any accountant a run for his money, an expert in manufacturing. He's a multitasker of the highest order and never leaves anything unfinished. My dad has been the backbone and pillar strength of our company through both the highs and lows. He's faced union disputes, big forgery issue, a devastating fire and breach of trust. Yet I've never seen him sad, stressed, negative or regret about the past. He only thinks to make future better and brighter. I remember after the fire destroyed our entire office in 2008, and many of you are a witness, he told me to come on a holiday with family. Next day we had been to Panchgini with our family. That level of courage is rare, but he's always been fearless, rooted in his deep understanding of dharma. Setbacks or failures never bother him a bit. He firmly believes whatever is in our destiny will only come to us, and rest will never stay with us. He is a man of balance too. Even before I joined the business, he had fixed my working hours. For him, work-life balance has always been paramount, and he instilled in me the importance of not working more than 8 hours, though I have not religiously followed what he wants. He feels you need to work smartly to get things done in that time. He does this daily and he starts any task instantly, and due to his intellect, he finishes quickly before time with limited resources available. He's a one-man army, not dependent on anyone, and does most of his work by self, even at this age. For everyone in the company, my father is the go-to man for any problem. His advice, and including me, his advice always adds a fresh perspective. Even if we know this is the solution, we always try to take his advice, and it always adds a different dimension. And even though he comes to office only twice a week for 4 hours each, he accomplishes a week's worth of work. You make decisions at speed of light and work with the precision of sound. For you, age is just a number. You still remain most invaluable to Amar and to me. His notable big innovations, the product range what we manufacture, the high pressure autoclave reactors, the pressure lift filters, the Nush filters, and the flow reactors, which are the futuristic product which Sonali was talking about, have shaped not just our company but the industry itself. Few companies in the world make these complex designs, and it's all thanks to his intellect and problem-solving abilities. I know, Dad, I've troubled you a lot with wild design requirements and concepts, but you have never disappointed us. You have made impossible possible at times. You have been most practical and commonsensical person in solving any problem. You really think out of the box and out of the world. You are never tired or bored, nor you complain about doing any kind of work, whether small, big, you like it or you don't like it, be it in office, home, personal, temple, for anything, anybody. Unconditionally, you have done it. You make use of every second for a purpose. I know he credits me for the growth of the company, but honestly, without the foundation he laid and the constant support he provided, none of this success would have been possible. I often think that if he were in my place, Amar would have been much larger today than it is. But he is content, he is satisfied, simply fulfilling his duties with grace and humility. He had also been devoted trustee of our Jain temple for over 25 years, and his contributions to our community, society, Parmar estate, family are impressive as his professional achievements. He has always believed in the power of karma, and that remember God is the best vastu or the way to start any new venture. His positivity is unmatched, and he only sees good in any eventuality. He's most inclusive in his thoughts for everyone and every event, all through his life with different generations. He adapts to change very fast and very well. He has never discriminated people on basis of caste, religion, wealth, and treated everybody with equal respect. To my father, you are generous, humble, and have never expected anything from anyone. You are deeply loved, respected, and admired by our entire family, and we are honored and privileged to have you in our lives. You understand people and situation instantly, and you have helped many in the family and friends with your wisdom and advice. You have never spoiled relations with anyone for any reason, including your adversaries. You are a university by yourself. Lot of learnings we won't find in any of the books what we learned from you. This is precisely the reason I have kept my sitting next to him always. Words are less and time is short to express what we owe to you, what you are and what we have learned from you. Very hard to find a person like you, but a one word to define you closest would be you are a Superman, superhero, and an all-rounder. While writing this speech, I realized even more how just important you are to me and all of us. Sometimes we take for granted what we get easily. Every day and every hour, I was getting new ideas to add in this letter. Still, I am sure I would have missed many. You've always lived beyond my expectations, and I haven't lived up to yours many times. I ask for your forgiveness. I would like to thank all the staff, workers, our advisors, our vendors, clients, and competitors who have always kept on the edge, and our well-wishers, without whom Amar would not have been what it is today. Behind every successful man, they say there is a woman, and I have no doubt that the strength, fortune, the good karmas, the dharmas, and the well-being of our family come from my mother. And I am sure everyone here would agree. Both are true legends of our family, as they have influenced many lives in right direction and spread happiness. We pray that God bless both of you with health, long life, and continued spiritual progress. You truly deserve a standing ovation. Let's all stand and give him a standing ovation. We would like to welcome him on the stage.
Nanu, please come on the stage. We would like to felicitate you. Anil Bappa and Mara Dada Bhikhabai, please stage पर also to felicitate Nanu. रुक जाना नहीं तो कहीं हार के कांटों पे चलाना नहीं तो कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही
Lifetime Achievement Awards honoring Mr. Naresh Shah for your vision and the courage to follow it, the wisdom to accept it, execute, and the integrity to nurture it into the legacy, but that has shaped and reach countless life and will inspire the generation to come. Amar Equipment. भाई गुजराती में बोलो कि हिंदी में? अच्छा, आज के प्रोग्राम का मेन लीडर श्री नरेश भाई एंड कल्पना बेन, आपने आ स्टाफ पासे से बहुत सुना कि नरेश भाई का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है अमर के लिए, वो बहुत आज जो पहुँचे हैं अमर, वो बिकॉज ऑफ हिज फाउंडेशन। दो बात ज़िंदगी में याद रखना, जैसा वो विशाल ने बोला, गुजराती स्कूल में पढ़ के परिस्थिति ख़राब होने के बावजूद वो ज़माने में ITI में एडमिशन, बॉम्बे ITI में एडमिशन लिया और अमेरिका जाके पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन भी किया। वो करने के बाद ये जो फैक्ट्री है वो काम किया, मतलब ये जो ज्ञान था वो ज्ञान का उसने उपयोग करके लक्ष्मी को भी प्राप्त किया। ये चीज़ तो होती है, जब ज्ञान आता है तो लक्ष्मी भी आती है, लेकिन वो टिकना बहुत मुश्किल है। तो उसके साथ एक तीसरा चीज़ भी होना चाहिए, वो भक्ति है। त्रिवेणी संगम जिसको बोलते हैं, आपको ज्ञान होना चाहिए, लक्ष्मी होनी चाहिए एंड भक्ति होनी चाहिए। उसके जीवन में आज आप देखेंगे तो बोलते हैं ना, खाली 2 दिन 3-4 घंटा आते हैं, बाकी पूरा टाइम भक्ति में निकालते हैं और समाज की, धर्म की सेवा करते हैं। ये चीज़ आना बहुत मुश्किल है। त्रिवेणी संगम आज जो अपना बहुमान किया ना, वो नरेश भाई बॉडी का नहीं, परंतु उसमें जो त्रिवेणी संगम है, दैट इज़ लक्ष्मी, ज्ञान एंड भक्ति। ये जो चीज़ है, नॉर्मली क्या होता है, ज्ञान होता है, भक्ति लक्ष्मी होती है, फिर बस आदमी रुक जाता है और लक्ष्मी में मजा करके लाइफ पूरी कर देता है। लेकिन ये नरेश भाई एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है कि लक्ष्मी एंड सरस्वती दोनों को मिलने के बाद भक्ति को इतना पकड़ के रखा है कि दिस इज़ ए थिंग विच वी कैन लिव, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड और वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ। नरेश भाई की जो सेवा है, समाज की सेवा, जैसा कि वो सालों तक ट्रस्टी रहे और बहुत से काम किए, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट बनाया है और वही क्वालिटी वारसे में विशाल को भी दिया है। ये लोग ऐसा अच्छा काम करते हैं, किसी को मालूम भी नहीं पड़ता है। ये जो क्वालिटी है वो विशाल को मिला है नरेश भाई से। तो ये जो है वो बड़ी लर्निंग चीज़ है अपने सब के लिए कि यदि अपने को कुछ सीखना है आज के प्रोग्राम में तो यही सीखे नरेश भाई से। मैनी थैंक्स।
Amar,
and currently Amarflow Laboratories. So my association with the company is for the past 2 years, and so many people have spoken about Naresh Bhai a lot. Many people have spoken about Naresh Bhai a lot, so I'll also contribute the same. It may be repetitive, but it's worth repeating any word for him. He's one of the greatest person I have seen. So I have a transition from academics to industry, and I've never seen such a perfect combination of a person, engineer, and a creative with so much creativity what Naresh Bhai has. And so until now many people have spoken, so I have as I told you, I'm from the academics background. We have something called a citation. So when we want to felicitate somebody, we cite him, and I cannot stop that, so I have prepared a citation for him. And the reason is, like, sometimes spoken words fall short, but written words have a way of capturing the depth and strength of our thoughts, leaving a lasting imprint that speech often cannot. So that is the reason I have got every word what I wanted to in the form of this, which will stay it will stay for as long as Naresh Bhai is here. So I'll just read out, so I'll not take more time. It's most of the things have been covered, but I would, again, as I said, I would like to repeat them. So we proudly recognize and celebrate the remarkable journey of Mr. Naresh Shah, or Naresh Bhai as we fondly call him, whose vision and tireless dedication laid the foundation of Amar Equipment Private Limited in 1974. Naresh Bhai completed his B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering from IIT Mumbai and went on to get a Master of Science degree from the University of Michigan, United States. Now the United States in 1960s was at the peak of its wealth and power, and Naresh Bhai could have settled into an incredibly comfortable and prosperous career with a Detroit Big 3 car maker. He did not do that. Naresh Bhai came back to India and embarked on a mission to revolutionize the engineering landscape with cutting-edge solutions for the chemical and pharmaceutical industries. Through his profound knowledge, exceptional design capabilities, and unyielding commitment to excellence, Mr. Shah transitioned Amar Equipment's focus to high-pressure autoclave reactors and flow reactors, positioning Amar Equipment as a leader in the field. He succeeded so brilliantly that Amar is the go-to manufacturer of laboratory autoclaves and skids across India and now even overseas. Over 5 decades, his expertise in fabrication, machining, and technical troubleshooting has played a pivotal role in shaping the company's legacy. Naresh Bhai is a visionary, courageous, and principled leader. There have been times when he has shut down operations rather than yield to unethical demands. Rigorous attention to detail and a focus on customer satisfaction is an article of faith for him. He has continuously fostered integrity, innovation, growth, and quality. His wisdom, principles, and fearless leadership have been the backbone of company's success. It is due to his relentless pursuit of excellence that Amar Equipment Private Limited stands as a beacon of engineering brilliance today. On this momentous occasion, we honor Naresh Bhai for his outstanding contributions, unwavering passion, and enduring legacy. Your integrity, dedication, courage, and wisdom have not only enriched countless lives but will continue to inspire future generations. Thank you. I'll just call upon some leaders from the Amar team to come upon and hand over the citation to him. Naeem. Also, for his purity, we want to hand over a small token of another appreciation, a small sapling, tulsi sapling for him. To end it, now this is something which I just, after listening to Vishal sir and many people who spoke, I'm quite a spiritual person. I do pray a lot and I have a lot of inspiration from him because he spends most of his time praying. So,
દર પર્યુષણના પહેલા દિવસે અઠમનું પછાણની છે.
thank you. Oh yeah, that was also his inspiration. So, and I could successfully do it. So, in our in the Vedic scriptures, there is a word called as Satchitanand. Okay, the word means Sat means truth, Chit means consciousness, and Anand means bliss. So he is a perfect example of Satchitanand, which I have been seeing for the last almost 2 years now, and hopefully his blessings with me will make me take Amar Flow Laboratories along with Amar Equipment to higher limits. Thank you.
अमर इक्विपमेंट को फैक्ट्री आकर कौन चलाता था, अब ये भी जानते हैं कि अमर इक्विपमेंट को घर से कौन चलाता था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स नन अदर देन आवर बिलवड माय नानी कल्पना शाह. as it clearly says, she's been spreading 75 she spent 75 years of spreading happiness. and मैंने नानू के लिए कुछ लिखा था, उसी तरह नानी के लिए नहीं लिखूँगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट ये है कि नरेश का मतलब होता है राजा, कल्पना का मीनिंग होता है आर इमेजिनेशन. सो इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में अर्ज़ किया है, खुदा ने जब आपको बनाया, सॉरी रॉन्ग नगर में नरेश को भेज, नगर की ज़रूरत हुई पूरी, परंतु खुदा ने कल्पना नहीं की थी कि नरेश की कल्पना रह जाएगी अधूरी. बहुत प्रयास किया परंतु कैसे बनाते ऐसा इंसान जिसके बिना ना पूरे होते नरेश के अरमान. तब बुलाई गई एक देवताओं की सभा और सबके गुणों का मिश्रण कर निर्माण हुआ किसका. ऐसा बना था अजूबा कि सब सोच में पड़ गए. इसे इंसान तो नहीं कह सकते, क्या रखे इस अजूबे का नाम. तब खुदा को एक विचार आया होगा और फिर से दिल में सुरूर छाया होगा. एक आत्मा जो देवताओं के भी सिर्फ कल्पनाओं में मौजूद है, उसे वही तो कहेंगे जो कि वो है, एक कल्पना. जब ऐसे काल्पनिक आत्मा को सच बनाया होगा, तब फिर खुदा को मोह आया होगा कि कहीं रोक लूँ इसे, वरना देवलोक को भी धरती पर जाने का चाह रहा होगा. सो इसी के साथ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन माई मदर हेतल टू स्पीक अ फ्यू वर्ड्स ऑन नानी.
के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है.
Hello everyone. Says, I would like to add here and explain the reason behind the same. James Vishal Kitu, after every successful man, there is a woman. It is so true. મારા પપ્પાની સક્સેસ જર્ની મારી મમ્મી કલ્પનાબેન એમની સાથે જીવી છે. અમરને 50 વર્ષ, એમ મમ્મી પપ્પાની અમર જોડીને પણ 50થી વધારે વર્ષ, અને મમ્મીની જર્ની ટુ ગુડનેસને 75 યર્સ. બધા જ એગ્રી થશો મારી સાથે કે પપ્પામાં ઘણી ઇનબિલ્ટ ક્વોલિટીઝ છે જેના કારણે એમણે એમના જીવનમાં ઘણા પુરુષાર્થ કર્યા, પણ એમની જીવનમાં સૌથી મહત્ત્વનું પગલું હતું મારી મમ્મીનો પ્રવેશ. મમ્મીના પ્રવેશ પછી એમના જીવનની ગાડીએ જે સ્પીડ પકડી અને જે રીતે આગળ વધી એના પરિણામે આજે આપણે આ લેવલ ઓફ અચીવમેન્ટ જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ. પપ્પાની ક્વોલિટીઝને એક્ઝેક્ટલી બેલેન્સ કરે એવી જ ક્વોલિટીઝ મમ્મીમાં છે. જેમ કે પપ્પામાં કરેજ, મમ્મીમાં સ્ટ્રેન્થ. પપ્પામાં સેલ્ફ બિલીફ, તો મમ્મી ઓલવેઝ બિલીવડ ઇન હિમ. પપ્પા ઇનોવેટિવ, તો મમ્મી કન્સિસ્ટન્ટ. પપ્પા પોઝિટિવ, તો મમ્મીમાં ટ્રસ્ટ. પપ્પા બિલીવ્સ ઇન કર્મ, તો મમ્મી બિલીવ્સ ઇન ધર્મ. પપ્પા ઇમ્પેશન્ટ, તો મમ્મી કામ. પપ્પા બ્રિલિયન્ટ, તો મમ્મી ઇનોસેન્ટ અને ભોળી. પપ્પા ટેકનોક્રેટ, તો મમ્મી સિમ્પલ અને સરળ. પપ્પા સ્માર્ટ વર્કિંગ, તો મમ્મી હાર્ડ વર્કિંગ. પપ્પા થોડા સિરિયસ, તો મમ્મી હસમુખી. વન થિંગ ઇન કોમન is care for love for family, friends and people around. મમ્મીના આવવાથી પપ્પાના આધ્યાત્મિક જીવનની શરૂઆત થઈ, અને અધ્યાત્મ તો સફળતાની ચાવી છે, એટલે સફળતાની ચાવી જ મમ્મીએ પપ્પાના હાથમાં પકડાવી દીધી. આખા પરિવારને એકજૂથ રાખે એવા અનેક ગુણો છે મમ્મીમાં, જેમ કે ઉદાર, મદદગાર, નિસ્વાર્થ, નિર્દોષ, વિનય, વિવેક, પ્રભાવક, ઉપચારક, ઉપકારક અને સૌથી મોટી અન્નપૂર્ણા. તે મમતા અને સ્નેહ શક્તિની ક્ષમતા છે. ખૂબ જ પ્રેમ કરનારી, સંસ્કાર આપનારી, બધાના ગુણો જોનારી, મહેમાનોને આવકારનારી, ગુરુ ભગવાનની શુશ્રૂષા કરનારી. લાગણીનો નાયગ્રા ફોલ છે અને ગુણોનો માઉન્ટ એવરેસ્ટ છે. આઈ એમ શ્યોર કે અમારા ફેમિલી અને ફ્રેન્ડ્સ બધા જ આ વાતથી અગ્રી થશે. આજે પણ બધાની સાથે લઈને ચાલનારી અમારી મમ્મીના અમારા પર એટલા ઉપકાર છે કે એને બોલવા માટે શબ્દ પણ ઓછા પડે. આજે અમે જે સ્થાને છીએ એની પાછળ મમ્મીના સંસ્કારો અને એનો પ્રેમ જ છે. નાનપણમાં અમને ટ્રેન કરવા માટે ખૂબ જ મહેનત કરતી, અને મને લાગે કે કેટલું કામ કરાવે છે, કેટલી ટકટક કરે છે, પણ આજે એની ટ્રેનિંગ અમને અમારી લાઈફમાં આ જગ્યાએ પહોંચાડ્યા છે, અને અમે એની જ ટ્રેનિંગથી અમારા બાળકોને ટ્રેન કરી શક્યા છીએ. જોકે હજી આજે પણ હું અને મમ્મી ટોમ એન્ડ જેરી જ છીએ, જે એકબીજાને બળકા તો ભર્યા કરીએ પણ એકબીજા વગર ચાલે પણ નહીં. એ એક એવું વ્યક્તિત્વ છે જે અમારા પરિવારમાં જ નહીં પરંતુ માટુંગા જૈન સંઘમાં પણ બધાની કનેક્ટિંગ કડી છે. તે બધાની મા સમાન છે. સાધ્વીજી ભગવાન પણ તેને પોતાની મા સમાન જ માને છે. શી ઇઝ અનડિસ્પ્યુટેડ વ્યક્તિત્વ. શી લવ્સ એન્ડ કેર્સ ફોર એવરીવન એન્ડ શી ઇઝ લવ્ડ બાય એવરીવન. મમ્મી માટે ઘણું કહી શકાય એમ છે, એમ પપ્પા માટે પણ ઘણું જ કહી શકાય. પણ પપ્પાની લાઈફથી અમને એક મંત્ર મળ્યું છે, काम इतनी खामोशी से करो, काम इतनी खामोशी से करो कि कामयाबी शोर मचा दे. थैंक यू.
થેન્ક યુ એવરીવન. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ એવરીવન. હજી પહોંચ્યું નથી, હજી જમવાને 10 મિનિટ છે, તો હજી બે જણે તમારી માટે મેસેજ મોકલ્યા છે. એક મહિમા અહીંયા છે, એક મહિમા લંડન છે, તો બંને બસ 2 મિનિટ કાંઈ બોલશે.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Everyone has said such amazing things. It is only my privilege and an honor to be a part of the family and know them so closely. I want to congratulate the entire Amar team, the family, the employees and everybody. It is amazing, 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 an achievement that only is very rare, and we're all there to witness it. It is our privilege to be there. I just want to say a very short thing that Nanu and Nani have taught me so much in just a very small span of time, and they are only an inspiration, and we are what we are today because of them, and we will always be what we will be because of them. And we call Nanu a one-man army. army, but I would say he's one man and his army is Kalpana Shah. So thank you so much for everything, and it is just an honor. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Now we'll just play an audio that Mahima has sent. Come on.
So, say a few things about my Nanu and my Nanu. On this momentous occasion of the 50th anniversary of Amar, I want to express firstly my heartfelt congratulations and deepest admiration for you, Nanu. Half a century of dedicated service, innovation and leadership in your field is truly remarkable and worthy of celebration. Your journey as an entrepreneur and engineer serves as an inspiring testament to the power of passion, perseverance and expertise. Over these 5 decades, you've not only built a successful business, but have also contributed significantly to the advancement of your field. Your work has undoubtedly touched countless lives, improving processes, solving problems, and driving progress in ways both seen and unseen. The longevity of your business speaks volumes about your integrity, the quality of your work, and your ability to adapt to changing times. In an era of rapid technological advancements, you've managed to stay relevant and thrive, a feat that deserves the highest amount of praise. Your commitment to excellence and your innovative spirit have set a standard for others to follow in the industry. Beyond the professional accomplishments, your journey represents the realization of a dream that has provided for our family, created opportunities for employees, and contributed to the community. The ripple effects of your dedication extend far beyond the walls of your business, influencing and inspiring future generations of engineers and entrepreneurs. As we celebrate this golden jubilee, we are not just marking the passage of time, but honoring a legacy of hard work, ingenuity, and unwavering commitment. Your story is one of resilience, overcoming challenges, and seizing opportunities. It's a narrative that will continue to inspire long into the future. Thank you for being a pioneer, a mentor, and a role model. Your achievements remind us of the impact one person can have when they pursue their passion with determination and skill. As you commemorate this incredible milestone, please know that all of us are here standing in an awe of what you've accomplished. Here's to 50 years of excellence, innovation, and success. May your remarkable journey continue to inspire and your legacy endure for future generations to come. Now moving on to my Nanu. For half a century, you've stood beside Nanu as a pillar of strength and source of endless encouragement as he built his empire. Your support has been the unseen foundation upon which his success was built. Through late nights, challenging times, and your presence has been a constant, nurturing force in our family. Your innocence and purity of heart have been a guiding light for all of us. In a world that can often seem complicated and harsh, you've shown us the power of simplicity and genuine goodness. Your ability to find joy in the little things and spread happiness wherever you go is truly inspiring. Despite the passing years, you remain full of life, your spirit undimmed by time. Your zest for living, your curiosity about the world, and your ability to make everyone around you feel are special gifts that continue to enrich our lives. You've taught us that age is just a number and that a youthful heart knows no bounds. Through your actions, you've shown us what true partnership means. The love and respect you and Nanu share have set an example for generations to follow. Your dedication to each other and to the family has created a legacy of love that will endure long beyond your years. As we honor your 75 years, we celebrate not just the passage of time, but the countless lives you've touched, the memories you've created, and the love you've shown. Thank you for being our rock, our confidant, and our source of endless love and unconditional love. Your presence in our lives is a blessing beyond measure. Here's to you, Nanu, 75 years young, eternally beautiful, and forever cherished.
Now I would like to call Dadu and Dadi. આવી જાઓ ફેલિસિટેટ કરવા માટે ઇન્દુ ફાઈબા અને અમિતા મામી ફેલિસિટેટ કરશે.
अपनी जेब से फकीर है फिर भी के हम अमीर हैं माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है फिर भी के हम अमीर हैं.
This is a lifetime achievement award honoring Miss Kalpana Shah, Mrs. Kalpana Shah, for your innocence and purity, for your simplicity and humility, for your unconditional love and care, for your selfless seva of elders and monks, which has been an inspiration to all.
Now we would like to call upon नरेश भाई नानू स्टेज पर also अपने अमर के जो भी 5-6 वर्कर्स हैं जिन्होंने यहाँ 20 साल से 30 साल से ज़्यादा वक्त बिताया है, हम उनको फेलिसिटेट करना चाहेंगे। तो हम कुछ नाम लेंगे, वो सभी जन प्लीज स्टेज पर आ जाइए। प्रकाश लाट, सोनाली, बावन, जोशी, सुधीर एंड अर्जुन, ये सब अमर के साथ ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से हैं। एंड रोशन लाल जो इस परिवार के साथ 20 साल से हैं। इन सबको हम फेलिसिटेट करना चाहेंगे, तो प्लीज़ स्टेज पर आइए।
पाचों ने ऊपर रखे ना फोटो पाट लिए लेडीज ओके रोशन आ रही है तुम्हारी बाजू में।
Now before we sorry. पाचों ने ऊपर रखे ना फोटो पाट लिए लेडीज ओके रोशन आ रही है तुम्हारी बाजू में। Now before we sorry. केक कटिंग के पहले बस नानू, देर आर सम मैसेजेस फॉर यू बाय द स्टाफ मेंबर ऑन द स्क्रीन। जिससे भी कुछ भी मैसेज भेजना हो वो नानू या नानू को व्हाट्सएप कर दे। देर आर ऑल्सो फन एक्टिविटीज एट द बैक फॉर द किड्स। ईच स्टाफ प्लीज कलेक्ट द अमर ब्रांड बैग and there will be few for families and friends as well to grab as memory. First timers who want to take a tour of the factory, please feel free. And last but not the least, there would be Garba on the DJ after this, so be ready to dance on your Garba steps. And last but not the least, thanks to Mihir, Rochelle and Dr. Chandrakant and team for organizing this event in just a period of 5 days. So they're really learning from Nanu's efficiency, so that's all. And that's it, everyone. Just gather around for cake cutting.
वो हटा दो, ये ले ले, चेयर ले ले.
मेरे पापा कहते हैं हम
Family of Amar Equipments. We love you all love us. That is the reason today आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ ऊपर वाले की मेहरबानी से और हमारे इक्विपमेंट के स्टाफ के सबका प्रेम से और मेरा फैमिली के प्रेम से मुझे बस और सबको थैंक्स बोलना है और कुछ नहीं बोलना है। और मैं जब कंपनी स्टार्ट की किसी को पता नहीं बताया नहीं गया। मेरे बड़े भाई अनिल भाई पहले 5 साल कंपनी में अमर इंजीनियरिंग में मेरे साथ मेरे पूरे सपोर्ट में थे, जो आज आए हैं। तो हाँ, थैंक यू ऑल।
Hello all. Okay, on behalf of full Shah Parivar, I want to Kaka, I'm speaking for you. On behalf of full Shah Parivar, I mean I have few lines to say about Kaka. He embraces uniqueness. He attracts positivity and abundance into every life he comes across. He trusts his intuition and he makes decisions with confidence. I'm sure all of you are here. Shah Parivar, you agree to what I'm saying. He is resilient and chooses to focus on the good of life. He constantly radiates confidence and joy. He is always at peace from his past and is very excited for his future. And this is what I think we all should learn from him. He is a man definitely with power, and we are so grateful and so much of warmth that we want to always be with him. When he had come to my house, he was the one who gave me such a positivity. Thank you, Kaka. You mean a lot to us. Post my dad, now Kaka and Anil Kaka. You all have been really good to us, and thank you so much. Kaki, similarly, as we say, Acha Mansi, wait. As I should say for Kaka, similarly for Kaki. Like whenever we meet, it's about like 6 months later if I meet her, she always has to, she'll talk and she'll be involved so much as if we meet every day. And I'm sure everybody is experienced the day we go to her house. So we have to go without eating and come out with full of stomach, and next 2 days we have to then have some diet. So thank you Kaka Kaki for bringing so much joy, happiness and positivity to all of us in Shah Parivar. Thank you so much.
પ્રણામ. આદર્શ પિતા જાણે આદર્શતાનો એક બંડલ છે, અને એ આદર્શતાના વ્યક્તિત્વમાં સોના જેવા મામામાં સુગંધવાળી કલ્પના મામી આવ્યા, અને પછી એ સુગંધવાળું ફૂલ ને એના ફૂલ તો પછી કંઈ અલગ જ હોય ને. હેતલ, વિશાલ, ડિમ્પલ, માનસી, બધા જ સેલ્યુટ ટુ એવરીવન આફ્ટર મામા, એવરીવન. અને ખબર છે ભગવાને જે કાર્ય માટે જગતમાં આપણું અવતરણ કરાવ્યું છે, સ્પેશિયલી નરેશ મામા મામીનું, તો તેમણે તો એ કાર્ય સુપેરે ઉત્તમ રીતે અને સમય પહેલાં પૂર્ણ કરીને આપણા બધા પર એક સરસ દાખલો બેસાડ્યો છે. આપણને પણ એમને પગલે ચાલવાનો મળી જાય એવું કરાવી નાખ્યું છે. નરેશ મામા મામી, નાના સાથે નાના, મોટા સાથે મોટા, દરેક વ્યક્તિમાંથી આજે નરેશ મામા જે આપણી માટે કરે છે ને, એમાંનો એક હું નરેશ મામા માટે કરી લઉં. મામા, નરેશ મામા, નાના વ્યક્તિ કે મોટા વ્યક્તિ, તમે દરેકમાંથી ગુણ કાઢી અને એને મોટો કરીને બતાવો, એ તમારો સૌથી મોટો ગુણ છે. બીજામાં આત્મવિશ્વાસ પેદા થાય એવું તમે કરાવો છો, એ સૌથી મોટો તમારો ગુણ છે નરેશ મામા. અને કલ્પના મામી, હર્યા ભર્યા 75 વાસંતી વાયરે ઝૂમી, 75 દિવાળીના દીવડા પ્રગટાવી, સદા ઝગમગતા, હસતા, હસાવતા, ચહેરે અડીખમ રહેતા કલ્પના મામી.
स्टाफ का खाना ऊपर है एंड टोकन रिसेप्शन से ले लो. हाँ, चालू हो गया है खाना. स्टाफ का खाना ऊपर है एंड टोकन रिसेप्शन से ले लो.
अभिनंदन उस तरफ से. विशाल भैया, -30. Almost.
One more hit. भैया और दो है बस अंदर.
Okay. But I've never done this before.
The tail on the other side. Yes. Just hit it strong. What never done?
I've never broken as a naria.
You should not leave it from your hand. You should hold it in your hand only. Okay. Asrar. एक ग्रुप फोटो है.